How to change time zone on iPhone. Hi everyone, it is Guide Hacks, and in this video I will show you how to change time zone on iPhone. Now let's get started. First we need to open our settings. Then we need to scroll down and find option General. And tap on it. In appearing menu we should find option Date and Time and click on it too. Now we need to switch off option Set Automatically, and now we should tap on option Time Zone. And here you can choose any country with specific time zone, and then just tap on it. And that's all, it was how to change time zone on iPhone. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our Guide Hacks channel.